So, this is something actually I need to thank everybody, everybody. I'm talking about Oriki, my patron Oriki. This is yes another Oriki, and like I will say, I want anybody to call himself a talking drummer to tell me the Oriki. I'm telling you, I don't know about Tumba Sergeant, but let me know your Oriki. From there, I will know that you are a good talking drummer. If you don't know Oriki, I'm not a talking drum, you just play gag one, rubbish. Let me tell you about Oriki. This Adekiliokun, listen. Adekiliokun, Afijuwoja, Orin Gbendeke, Ọ̀bùn wọjà pàṣẹ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ Ọ̀bùn ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ní òrò rẹ̀ Afijuwọlé. That's Adekiliokun Oriki. And I want everybody to subscribe on my YouTube, all my everything. My phone number is 301-404-8620. I want you to challenge me with your Oriki. You play, everybody play, but I don't know your Oriki. You play Tumba, Kaje, that's no meaning. That's nonsense, rubbish. Thank you.